Howdy there, Crotch Goblins. Hey, we're going to do a quick repair here on this steering knuckle. What happens is the threading for the caliper bolts, I guess it pulls out or gets all fucked up. So I bought the kit off of McMaster's that duplicates the Black Magic kit. Shout out to Black Magic for coming up with the kit. Shout out to McMaster's for giving me the key pieces for 10 bucks. So hope you got some good plans this weekend. Buckle up and we'll get started. All right, let's get started. 27/64 drill bit. We're going to drill out the top hole. Try to keep it as straight as possible, and that'll help you out. All right, let's see here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Pretty level. Is it level? Who fucking knows, bud? Who fucking knows? Go on the slow setting. Woo! She's not happy. She wants to kick right out. That's good. The bit's biting, but it's biting a little bit too hard. It's gonna kick the. It's gonna take the teeth right off of it. Let me give that a second shot. Still on the low setting. Just give it a little bit less feed pressure. Like maybe, nope, not even that amount. It's gonna let me get away with it. Let's see what I can do. Nope. Yeah, she is really trying to fight me there. See what I can get this. Yeah, not too sure. I think I've had that problem before where the bit's in that good a shape. Well, one more shot. Oh yeah, she is fucking pissed, bud. Oh yeah, she is not happy. Oh man. What a pain in the ass. Alright, well, that's one more shot. Yeah, I don't need quite so much bite. Man, she's fucking pissed. She's just trying to jump right in there. I'm giving her no feed pressure. Oh well, let's see. Another shot here. See if that'll get her. Fuck, she's angry, man. Yeah, she is angry. Alright, let me think about what to do. Maybe I'll get a little bit better here on the second run. I don't know. You didn't get a chance to see me drill the second hole. I had a great joke too. You should have seen it. But anyways, I'm getting the tap on it. Remember, as you're doing that, cut in and then go back to let the shavings get out of the way. And you'll see it making a pretty good pile of shaving, so you know you're doing the work okay. You know, the other reason I went ahead and replicated the Black Magic kit is that helicoil had a smaller OD. I figured with the bigger OD of the 1/2 inch 13 thread per inch insert down to the M8, I figured it would give me a little bit better longevity on the insert. You know, it lasts longer, it's thicker. And then, you know, I've heard people having trouble with these helicoils. All right, give me a few minutes. I'll show you putting in that little insert. All right, so here's the insert. Here's the little $10 tool from McMaster for putting the insert in. And I've always found that when there's tools that cheap, it's to your benefit to get them. And this little wrench handle is just from some garbage Harbor Freight kit that I accumulated over the years. The inserts come with a little bit of Loctite on them. It said something like 72 hours to set. I don't know that we're really interested in waiting 72 hours, but we might wait overnight. All right. Just a little snuggy boo there. All right, pretty good. And yeah, when you get a kit like this, you know, just keep it in the McMaster bag, and then any kind of little thing like this, it tells you what you bought. It's always helpful to keep. And then throw that back in your box of parts and have yourself a good weekend. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if we can get that caliper on. I had to use a C-clamp to push the other caliper open a little bit more. Maybe this one won't need me to do it, but let me give it a first shot and we'll see how well we got those aligned. I threaded them in, they looked okay, but you know, only the caliper is going to tell us that, so hold on. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. All right. Yeah, she's a little tight. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and use the C-clamp to push her open. And since I'm anticipating having to fight getting the caliper to slide over the rotor, I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of studs on here, or sorry, lug nuts on here. What are you doing here, buddy? That's right, there we go, we got that for a reason. Yeah. All right, hold on and we'll give that a shot. All right, so I got that on. That wasn't too bad. I was able to keep it straight enough by eye. So yeah, happy with the reassembly, and hopefully I didn't screw up the brake caliper line, dropping the brake caliper half a dozen times, but you know, we'll see the first time we hit the brakes. All right, guys, let me get the wheels on this, set this down. I'll start torquing all these bolts in. I got a little bit of tack welding to do here, and I'll take you along for that. Click, click, click. Is it aligned? No. Did we hook up the ARB? No. Is the drive shaft connected? No. Did we put any of the tack welds we needed to add on? No. Did we check the pinion nut? No. But she's on 4 wheels, so that's a big improvement. And we could move it around like this, even though she's not ready to wheel.